Hi there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're going to explore the intriguing world of the Industrial Internet of Things, also known as IIoT. We'll look at the potential benefits and the security risks it poses for manufacturing organizations. If you're part of a maintenance or operations team, you'll find this information incredibly vital. So, stay tuned as we share 4 key strategies to minimize IIoT security risks and discuss the critical role of the industry in safeguarding its future. The Industrial Internet of Things is a network of devices used in industrial applications to transfer data and enhance manufacturing and industrial processes. But with all its benefits, it also brings a whole new set of security risks to a manufacturing organization. The connectivity that allows IIoT to deliver amazing amounts of data, often in real time, also gives potential access to critical data and devices to hackers. Sounds scary, right? Let's talk about cyber attacks. The IIoT has some of the same security issues as the consumer Internet of Things, such as weak passwords or software bugs that cannot be easily repaired. Some companies are connecting their production lines and power grids to the internet to increase efficiency. But if their networks are insecure, they should be vigilant against widespread cyber attacks, which could harm facility equipment and create the potential for espionage. Here's a frightening fact. Only about 1/3 of industrial companies have even started to address this problem with security professionals or specialists. What's more, the majority of these companies say they don't have the staff expertise to manage IIoT security issues. So how can we minimize these IIoT security risks? There are 4 key ways industrial organizations should consider to protect their businesses. First, create secure execution spaces. Second, encrypt sensitive data. Third, limit access to data. And fourth, authenticate sensor data. But it's not as easy as it sounds. According to Gartner, these and other security issues can be challenging because organizations are having less control of the hardware and software systems deployed in their businesses. One possible solution may be to work with your CMMS providers to address security issues together. Now let's talk about the industry's role in security. As more and more companies take advantage of IIoT to move toward more efficient, predictive maintenance technologies, they must bring along security measures at the same time. The industry as a whole should begin to address the broader issue of security as well, providing tools, guidelines, resources, and assistance for industrial companies around the country. So, while the IIoT brings great potential for efficiency and innovation, it's crucial that we stay vigilant and proactive when it comes to security. And that brings us to the end of our video. We've explored the Industrial Internet of Things, the security risks it poses, and 4 key strategies to minimize these risks. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay vigilant and proactive when it comes to IIoT security. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. For additional resources and information, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.